What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I haven't talked about Jasmy coin in a while, right? Because I have, when I'm looking at it, right, I see it at a price of 2 cents. And even though I'm not worried about this for my regular position, my position that I own outright, I am always worried about it for my leverage trading position because my leverage trading positions have a liquidation point of 1.3 cents and 1.6 cents. So I don't want to see it around the 1 cent level ever. And the last couple of days hasn't really been the best for cryptocurrency. So I've been looking at it. I haven't been reporting on it or talking about what's going on, but I have been watching it heavily and thoroughly and seeing what's going on with that. I'm still holding those positions, and we have seen maybe a little bit of a recovery from where we were. But let's go over an update on where Jasmy coin is right now, what other people are seeing maybe on Twitter, as well as the holders and all that stuff that you guys want to hear. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the links for Twitter and Patreon down below. I also have a link for Margex. If you guys are interested in Margex trading and leverage trading, I know you don't have many opportunities to leverage trade. So if you want to check out Margex, it's a simple platform. A lot of people like to make it complicated. It looks complicated compared to what you have on Coinbase or Kraken or something. But seriously, it's not that difficult. You have the amount that you have in your wallet, whatever you're looking to leverage. You can leverage any position that you do have, right? And then you have the position that you're trading. So if you want to trade BTC, Ethereum, Dogecoin or whatever, Jasmy coin, let's say, then you can do that. And all you have to do is select whatever leverage you want, select how much the total investment will be, and down here it will tell you how much you're putting in. So $200 for a 5x leverage will trade $1,000, and you'll get the gains for $1,000. But make sure that you understand what you are doing, because it's very risky to go into leverage trading if you don't know what you are doing. I mean, it's risky in general, but if you understand that risk, you can trade a little bit better. So make sure you check out the link to Margex down below. Also, I have a link for Trade Assist if you guys are interested in having buy zones, sell zones, bullish momentum, bearish momentum that can help you with trading if you are looking to actually short-term trade or even average in to different positions or even average out. All right, feel free to check out that link for Trade Assist right below the Margex link. Now, Jasmy coin has been an investment of mine for a while, right? Since 40% of a penny, and everybody questioning, or not everybody, but some people coming to the videos and saying Jasmy coin's not even going to be worth a penny, you're going to lose all your money, all that stuff, and then those people being completely silent when it gets to 1 cent. Then it gets to 2 cents, and they're kind of just butthurt about it. Then it gets to 3 cents and 4 cents, and some of those people are like, well, I guess I was wrong. And I respect those people that came back and said, look, I was wrong. I said that it wasn't going to move, and it does move. So I respect you. You know who you are. I just want to let you guys know that I'm not going to shame you for the people that just continue to just hate it or ignore the fact that they said this before and just go, okay, we'll move on to something else, move on to another person that I believe doesn't know what they're talking about. I really don't respect that type of person. Just own up to what you said was going to happen. I do it, and I have to publicly do it because I'm on YouTube, and I'm the one talking about it. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I will let you guys know. But Jasmy coin has made a decent move, and it's at a level of 2 cents ish right now. We obviously want to see it a lot further. I want to see it at about 10 to 20 cents by the end of this year. Some others want to see it a lot higher, but I'm trying to be a little bit conservative. As well as if we look at 2025, I want to see a value of $1 to $1.50 throughout that time period when we see altcoin season truly happen. Now, Jasmy coin is sitting at, like I said, that level of around 2 cents. It's at 1.992. So basically 2 cents. You can round up in this instance. But we are at a 1.7% increase for the last day, which is great to see, especially since the last day wasn't the most positive. Because if we look at how the price performance was in the last 24 hours, the lowest point, or sorry, not 24 hours. I guess we would look at I would say the last month. Yeah, 1.7, which is getting dangerously close to the 1.6 that I do have. So, or as a liquidation point for my leverage trade, I'll show you guys that in a little bit. So it was a little bit something that I was worried about. Not from my main position, because I'm not selling that until we get to a certain exit plan point. And if I get to that exit plan point while I'm still holding my leverage trading, then I might not even take that as well, because I just profited so much off of the leverage trading. But we're currently sitting at about $1 billion market cap, a $984 million market cap. $46 million worth of volume. It is only a 4% volume to market cap ratio. You know, I like to see about 10%, sometimes even 30% for a Jasmy coin. All the supply is out there. Still at about 50 billion total coins that are there. If we look at the holders for Jasmy coin, we have 75,000, which I want to see get up to 100,000. When we reach that threshold, that level, you know, you're starting to, everybody says that no matter what it is, money, you know, holders, whatever, if you reach 100,000, that's when it starts really growing from there. Once Pepe reached 100,000, which I'm not comparing Jasmy to Pepe, but the holders in general, once it reached that, it started to really grow a little bit. So anyways, we're seeing 75,396 holders in here, which is fantastic, hitting that level. I believe we were at 60 for a while, and I talked about 75,000 holders, maybe my last video. If we talk about Jasmy coin and see what people are predicting, we do have some predictions that a target would be 80 cents, seeing this cup and handle from Crypto Front. We have others that say Jasmy coin can hit 21 to 27 cents this bull run. This is a realistic target. Everything above is a bonus. Obviously, that's the case. Obviously, I want to see a lot more, and I believe that we can see a lot more, especially knowing that Jasmy coin's already at a 1 billion and hit a $2 billion market cap. Thinking that we can see a lot higher than that, at least a 10x. If I was to say what the minimum would be, what the worst case scenario would be, I would say a 10 to $20 billion market cap. And looking at a, you know, another $10 billion market cap, you're basically looking at a 10-cent price. At a $20 billion market cap, that's like a 20-cent price. So yeah, I guess I can see that as more of the lower scenario, to where we're like, we can accept this. That would be fantastic. I have 1 million Jasmy. Many people have even more than 1 million Jasmy coin right now. But you have a lot of people talking about different price predictions and where they believe it's going. We really don't have much news on Jasmy coin right now. But let's go ahead and get into where my positions are for my leverage trading portfolio. So I have Jasmy coin here in my copy trading portfolio that's at a 1.3 cent liquidation point. And the current price is obviously the 2-cent mark. I'm up 118% on this. I want to see this grow a lot more. One of my goals for that, I would like to see a level of 10 cents, which would be a 2,500%, 2,600% return, which means that we basically just double that. And we would see, you know, about $5,200 worth of a balance, or of a gain. $5,200 worth of a gain, which would be absolutely amazing for just a $200 investment. So that's something that I'm looking forward to seeing the growth of, especially as Jasmy coin already reached a really low point. And when you look at the breakdown of everything, it's like when you get down to the, I believe this 50 moving A or 50 moving average, you have the 50 moving average that currently sits at about 1.7 cents. So seeing that at 1.7 cents, I mean, I would like to say that it's just going to continue to bounce off of that, or stay above that, especially as we move into altcoin season. But you know that anything could happen. But that's what I'm believing, right? You see this as a very strong point, which is 1.5. So the 1.3, I believe, is safe. The one that I am questioning is the position that I'm holding over here, which is a 50x leverage in my main account. A 50x leverage is also, I'm also paying a lot in my overall realized P&L, and how much I'm paying in like fees, because currently 1.56, is that the 50? Yeah, that's the 50. 1.56 cents is where I stand there, which means that it's not going to fall below. It's not going to fall below that mark where it's the lowest point, or sorry, the 50 moving average, but it could still fall below the ultimate low point, which is around here, which is 1.52. So it could come down to there again, but that means it would break through the 50 moving average, which is something I don't want to see. Now, I'm thinking all sunshine, rainbows, and unicorns and butterflies here when I'm talking about Jasmy coin exploding, because I want to see that takeover, get back to 4.5 cents, and not only get back to 4.5 cents, but we be worth so much more way after that. Now, I'm still iffy on what I'm going to do with this, because this is copy trading. So if I do, not this one, the other one, it is copy trading. So I'm thinking about, taking that profit for the copy trading portfolio in general. Obviously, seeing the overall gains, I might have to take half of it, or maybe 75% of it, and leave the rest that's in there for the long-term growth, and then find a lower point again and invest at those points. But we'll talk about that maybe in another video. But here is the one that I'm kind of taking profit for myself, because it's my main portfolio. So if that finds a way to get to a level of 10 cents, that is a 27,000% return, but it is only on about $18. So right now it's at a 1,550%, 1,520% return. So, and it's only $100. So seeing that times 10 up to a 10,000% return, or even actually 15,000% return, that's $1,000. So it's not a major move, meaning that I probably want to see a lot more with this position itself, and probably see somewhere around $1, which would be a 321% return on that. But we'll see how that all plays out depending on the movement of the chart. But anyways, that's an update on Jasmy coin. Let me know what you think about Jasmy coin, where you believe it's going, if you have any new news that's going on, because I really only have a lot of price prediction information and updates on the chart and all that stuff. So let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.